This Benford's Law Stats dashboard is one of the key components to Roghnu's data anomalies reporting. So what exactly is Benford's Law? Well, it's a statistical principle that predicts the frequency distribution of the first digits in naturally occurring numerical datasets. So according to the law, lower digits like 1 and 2 occur as the leading digit more frequently than higher digits like 8 or 9. For example, the number 1 appears as the first digit about 30% of the time, while 9 appears less than 5% of the time. So what value is a report like this? Well, in accounting and forensic auditing, Benford's Law is a powerful tool for detecting anomalies, irregularities, or potential fraud. It basically alerts you to things that may need some investigation. It doesn't necessarily mean if a particular digit is outside of the bounds of the expected frequency that fraud has been committed, but it's something worth looking into. But there could be a justifiable reason as to why the frequency doesn't match the expectation. So here in this dashboard, we have a donut chart, which shows the different flags. Across the top here, really quickly, you see that the flags could be tight, which is within bounds, loose, which is slightly out of bounds, and warning, which is, of course, anomalous. So here we have tight and warning, no loose. And I can hover over the warning section here, and it shows me the count and the percentage. I can also click the section, and that'll display in the center here, and it'll also cross filter the table here to the right. So we see that in this table and column, digits 1 and 3 are anomalous, with digit 1 having a delta of negative 9.9 percentage points. So this would be something worth looking into in this table and column with regard to these digits. I'll unfilter that. At the top here, we have a switch icon. So the table shows the latest evaluation date. But if I click this, it'll switch to a line chart showing you trends over time. So in this data here, we see that there really is not much of a trend. It's just kind of steady. But you could imagine the count of warning flags possibly increasing or decreasing, or hopefully disappearing off the line chart completely. But this will help you to see potential trends over time. And so in conclusion, the value of a Benford's Law dashboard is to assist the data team in investigating anomalous data that has the potentiality of rooting out fraud.
For more information on working with Roghnu and exploring how the data portal can help you get the most out of Sage Intacct alongside your other critical business data, scan the code on the screen or click in the link in the description.